Today we there with
Buff. For hear the voice, I don't know a vigorous dad.
Mr. Vigorous, and I believe that Masicka is a goat.
Yeah, of course, Masicka a goat. Man, I want goat in I one way. The artist, you say them I goat, you know. But the thing is, Masicka say him my goat, but in sure she goat. So my question is Masicka Johnny. Because Vibes Cartoon say my goat, which is an alkaline, a real goat. I follow all of them, I follow. You don't know say alkaline say goat already. You see me? So then that's a follow. Vibes Cartel if stay in kinky.
Yeah.
Allow the goat king.
Yeah.
You see me? My Burger King already, so you can keep that. Being him and I king. My Burger King. You see me? Masicka I she goat.
She goat.
Alkaline, well, me can't say alkaline and Ramika I call like say this kind of set a weird, you see me? But I just say thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah man, every man a goat in for them. Only.
Tell the people where they can find you.
Yeah man, you can find me at Vigorous Dan on YouTube, Vigorous Dan on Instagram, Vigorous Dan on TikTok, Vigorous Dan on Facebook, Vigorous Dan on Spotify, Vigorous Dan on X, Vigorous Dan on Bingo Life.
Yeah.
Vigorous Dan everywhere anyway.
All platform. Any new project you're working on?
Yeah, new song out. Still there. More collaboration that if you drop soon and EP next year. Surely.
Alright, yes people, check out Vigorous Dan. Alright. Yeah. Today we there with
Capone, Christopher Anthony Archie, not a Bay St. Mary.
Mr. Christopher, do you believe that Masicka is a goat?
To be honest, I can't say that because I don't even know what the goat was meaning. But if Masicka is the goat, I'm not going to say that. What is the goat though, according to the view?
Greatest of all time.
No. The greatest of all time, I would say, is more than one person. Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs, Jacob Miller Killer, and those originate, right? As Burris and them. You got me?
So Masicka not ready for this?
To be honest, Masicka, I haven't really listened to a lot of his music to know his kind of rhythm tracks and views on music. So I have to do the right thing and listen to some of those musics of Masicka. Then I can say he might be the GOAT because I'm one of them old school dudes, you know. I ain't even know what the GOAT means. So I need to know for sure the GOAT. And if it may mean the top of the top, then I have to listen to some other tune them. Right? And that GOAT, I'm not going to say yes now. I have to do my research.
Alright. Yeah, G. Masicka say him is a goat. You believe that Masicka is a goat?
I don't believe in reach goat level still.
Yeah.
But Masicka a good artist.
Yeah.
Masicka have a good catalog.
Great artist.
You see me? Yeah, man. But I don't feel like he reach. You want to reach a level there, you know, where you can get him respect.
Yeah.
You see me? Because remember, you know, no for them not really rate Masicka, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
Them being a fight their career. That's why they have a fight for this. Like my fight in life, you see me?
Yeah.
That's why they say I'm the goat. Because every artist can say them are goat, you know.
Yeah.
Because every man can say what they want to say, an idea.
Yeah.
But if Masicka feel like he my goat,
yeah,
I guess he my goat for him.
For him.
You see me?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
I believe say no reach it. I believe say Masicka himself no believe say my goat, you know, and just maybe say that for clout, you know.
You feel so?
Yeah, because I remember say my album come up in December, you know.
Oh, so try to get as much
attention as possible.
Okay.
Yeah. So the back and forth with him and Cartel on IG. You see me? I don't believe no clash I go on still because Cartel not really want to clash nobody.
You see me? Cartel kind of change up him catalog, you know.
Yeah.
He kind of did more positive song and girl song.
That's true.
From Cartel come from Prison Cartel and drop a gun song, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
He say he not going to drop no more gun song according to him, you see me?
According until then licking chip.
Yeah, maybe.
Until then licking chip.
But we don't feel like we are going to see no Masicka versus Vice Cartel clash.
No, sir.
Yeah, we don't think we are going to see that. You see me? So,
Also.
Maybe the whole of this are just a clout, you know? Make people talk about them, you see me?
Remember saying no?
Yeah.
Cut that.